Good morning! So today is Sunday, time to show up for myself again. Today is Sunday. Ay, natin a good weather. Medyo foggy, tas may unting ambon. But it's okay, let's try. First time ko mag-jog ng ganito. So, jog with me. 1 km. 2 km. Foggy. 3 km. 4 km. Golden State Bridge. Eme. 5 km. 0 km. 0. Nice weather. The stable. I'm drinking collagen and vitamins plus vitamin C. .74 kilometers. Ready to go. Try ko mag 10. I don't know. Sana magawa ko. Sarap. Hindi ko inubos. Baka dumiretso pa. Let's do this. Outfit check. Black. Black bag. Black jacket. Black cycling. Black cap. Black watch. Black sheep. Joke lang. Joke lang po. So we're ready to go. And gusto ko lang i-rate tong shoes ko. Yung shoes ko from Puma. Hindi siya masakit sa paa. Ang sarap niyang itakbo. Kasi plan ko bumili ng isa pang running shoes para sa ating long run. Kaso okay naman siya eh. So let's see. Ang isang araw. Let's go! 6 km! 4 to go. Let's go! Kaya natin to. Go! 7 kilometers! 8 kilometers! Kaya pa. Yeah! Let's go! 10 km done! 11 km! 12 km! 13 km! 14! 14! Made it! Done!